In this video, I'm going to look at how to create a multi-checklist reading type in Maintelligence. So go to Setup, and then Reading Types, and create a new reading type. Call it New Multi-Checklist Reading Type. You may want to call it something specific like Visual Inspection for Pump Type X, or something like that. So this reading type parameter is going to have one parameter. You can call the parameter whatever you want. That can be configured to pop up on your handheld. So you might want to call that the same as there. The unit category is going to be none, other. The unit is going to be none. The type is going to be multi-checklist. I'm just hitting the first letters of those to bring them down. The default list is where you specify what you want to pop up on the handheld. So if you click in there, it brings up here. And you can type in your faults here. So it might be pump leaking. That's a fail. Pump. Abnormal noise. Fail. Fault 3. Fault 4. And you can go on. About 8 or 9 will pop up on the handheld. And then you can put pump, OK, all pass. So this will create a checkbox for each of these items in the list. And then based on whether the data collector selects those, this status will come up. So typically for faults or fails, you're going to want to have cautions or criticals maybe. And then for all pass, you're going to want to have normal. And if those are unselected, you're going to want to have no status. And if you want to, you can put this up at the top. Some people like to put it up at the top. So that's normal. And then you can also have other fault C note to alert the data analyzer that the data collector has put in a note there. So that's all you need. And if someone does put a note in, it's going to automatically create a second reading type parameter called note. So you don't have to worry about that, creating that. And then we need a couple more columns filled out. Data category and data class are both other. And that's all we need. We've created a new reading type, a multi-checklist reading type for PumpX.